Morena. Morena. Che.
Kia kunui, kia korahi, ko Bees ngari no te wā te tōku ingoa. This is Bees here from Māori Movement, and we're about to dive into a 45-minute high-intensity Māori Movement class here in Newcastle. Nō reira, mātaki tonu ana mai. Mai ko! Karanga atu ana kia rātou! Call upon your ancestors that are up there watching you right now. Tō mana, tō ihi, tō wei, tō tapu. I mai wāronga i arata. Autama! Autama! Hau ana mai te roa.
I'll call it. Tahi, rua, toru, pa.
Kia ora rai te whānau, Bees here from Māori Movement, and I'm just going to say, like, I am absolutely spent. My experience here in Newcastle, Australia has been overwhelming, I can tell you that much, and just the energy that we received from everybody that walked through our doors, it was really heartfelt. Everybody gave it their all, and it was something to be really proud of. To be Maori and to give to our own people here in Australia was another level. What's next? Here is Gold Coast, Brisbane, opportunity 20th and 21st of July. If you haven't been to a Māori Movement wānanga before, I would suggest that you get there. Just be a part of the round. No expectations, just have an open mind, come and join the crew, and I kid you not, you will come out of there a changed person. Maioha.